Here we have a 2013 Hyundai Genesis Coupe with the 3.8. We just removed the rear muffler, put a split Y pipe on it on the axle back, left it all factory up front, factory resonator, catalytic converters, out to these nice 3.5 inch dual burnt exhaust tips. Kind of fills up the hole real nice, doesn't have a lot of gap in there. Should give it a good rumble. Let's see what it sounds like. Well, when the exhaust is cold, you get a little backfire sometimes. Not enough back pressure, but once it warms up a little bit, smooths it out, goes away. Definitely got the Fast and Furious sound to it. Sounds pretty good. Should be what the customer's looking for.